On April 3rd, 2025, deputies were called to a Walmart after reports of a suspected shoplifter trying to beat the system. What loss prevention caught on camera was a method known as skip scanning, where items are passed over the scanner without being paid for. The suspect, later identified as Monica Cortazzo, thought no one was watching, but deputies were already on the way. What happened next was all captured on bodycam.
And I paused the transaction to give her a chance to, stop do that, not do that, and scan everything.
Yeah.
But that didn't happen. Skipping was still going on, and the bags were being placed on top of merchandise.
Okay.
There's that. Then me, him, her, we made the apprehension, and she was very cooperative. She came into the office. She gave us the ID. Didn't cause a scene, didn't do anything. And here's that. These are the items that we made the training receipt on the first, what you see in the cart.
The items not scanned?
All the items, skip scan, not scan.
Okay.
And upon further communication with her, she did have more merchandise on her person, on her bag. So these two are different amounts, but the one on the affidavit is the total amount of both receipts.
Okay.
And this is the receipt of what was paid for, what was scanned and paid for.
Okay. That one, if you guys need to keep it, you can hold on to that one. I don't need that one, just these two.
If you want to see video, I got video.
Yeah, if you want to pull it up, I'll go ahead and send you this. You can still send me the Aurora link and everything.
Yeah, can you email me on this email? Alright, so that's her entering self-checkout. She can chose self-checkout as register 39. That's the overview of the register. So we're coming up there. Scan the tricks. And then there was that.
Right, so she scanned the, thing on the bottom, and the ruffles was what was not scanned?
Yes.
Okay.
So she accidentally scanned the cheese thing twice. That thing twice. The ruffles were not scanned.
Okay.
I'm just gonna play the video. You told me to stop. We'll see it happen. And scan. Scan, doesn't scan, and then when I caught onto it, I had paused the transaction right there. You'll see it pause, and then the SCO host went and fixed that error, but the skipping did not stop, and then bags were being placed on top of merchandise, and you'll see that happen right here. that little hair stuff. She's gonna place the bag on top of it, along with the cat food or cat litter, whatever that shit is.
The merchandise that was on her person, was it in the purse or actually?
It was in the purse.
Okay.
So
Okay, you have
these two are separate receipts. One was from the cart, and then once we went out, there was more merchandise in the bag. That's the separate one. But on the affidavit, that's a total amount for both of them.
and then if you just have video of her passing all points of sale after she pays for the
Right.
few items.
So. Passing ball points of sale. Intervention. Matter. That's my witness. That's my witness.
Okay.
You want video of when stuff was getting out of her bag?
If if you have any footage, because I know there's some aisles that don't have.
I don't have footage of what aisles it happened in. I have footage of when it happened in the office. When she was
Oh, when
taking
you,
stuff.
okay, I got you.
What happened today? What's going on?
Yeah, I gotta swear
That's fine. I mean, are we going through some tough times or? Okay.
Yeah, I lost my job.
How long ago was that?
A little less than 2 weeks.
Okay, so you just
Obviously, I have shit to pay.
right.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Okay, that's understandable. However, I mean,
I'm not saying this is okay.
there's-
Obviously, I'm not justifying anything.
right. I mean, I'm just like I'm seeing some hair tools and some jewelry and stuff like
Yeah, something stupid.
certain stuff that's really not a necessity, right?
It's just I'm not in my right mind right now. I'm just,
That's understandable. I mean, losing your job 2 weeks ago, pretty understandable. Okay. So what happened exactly today? Like where?
no clue. All I know is that I needed just a couple of things, and I hate coming here because everybody always spends more money than what they need to.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I just thought about a few things that I wanted, and I was literally gonna put shit back, and I just completely forgot, and then I just. I don't know.
All right. With
All right, Monica, do you have any other comments or anything you want to say about the incident that happened today?
Just thought I regret it.
I know you said you've stolen from here previously, but you were just never caught.
Only a couple of times.
And then
It wasn't that much.
What was happening in Georgia? You said you had a prior
Yeah. I was also when I didn't have a job.
up in Georgia? Okay, I got you. Go ahead and stand up for me.
Am I being arrested?
Go ahead and turn around. Chance on track.
Do you have anything on you that's going to stick us or just focus in any way? Okay, is there anything in your bag that we need to know about?
I have like keys.
We're 1015. 215 has a 1015 hotel Foxtrot.
Those aren't too tight for you? Which one? That one? Okay.
At this point, no.
Given the amount that you stole and given your criminal history, because you have 2 prior convictions out of Georgia, so both related to theft charges.
Okay, all right. We're gonna.
drive here? Did someone drop you
I drove here.
Is this your phone?
Yes.
Is there anything in your bag that we need to know about? Since it's going with you, we gotta search it.
Yeah.
Huh?
My medication.
And this pepper spray here?
Yeah.
Pepper spray.
Yeah. Okay. What's in this? It's weed. Where'd you get it? A friend gave it to you, so do you have a medical marijuana card? Okay. Is Is there anything else in here that I need to know about? No, I asked you already. And I found it's halfway gone. Okay. Did you guys already verify all this? So all of this stuff in a Walmart bag that's boxed. When's this from? This is also from today. Okay, so again, when I asked if there was anything in the bag that we needed to know about,
Okay, I'm sorry.
and you didn't tell us that there's more merchandise that you took. The medication, I mean, I have the receipt here, so leave the medication with you.
Chelsea, can you get somebody to
Here.
make another training receipt?
All these cards too?
So update my affidavit.
Yeah, update the receipt, please. Alright. I'm gonna ask you one more time.
I'm sorry, I forgot. You don't-
I found THC and I found more stolen merchandise. And I haven't even finished searching your bag. Is there anything else in the bag that we need to know about?
I really don't think so.
You're only helping yourself at this point by
I know,
letting us
I really
know.
can't think of anything.
Okay.
I'd give a lighter.
The lighter is not, you just can't take the lighter to the jail with you, that's all. Is this,
Hair oil.
that's old? I mean, I see it's used, so.
Everything else is in there.
Okay. Alright, stand
Let
up.
me just locate the car just in case.
Well, when we get out there, you want to kind of just point out where your car's at so you can find it. Alright, let's follow that.
Actually, I'm gonna have Chelsea refund this to her card.
Okay. Or can you just save it until her ride comes from her car?
Got some personal items and it's gonna get ruined anyway.
I can hear you.
It's got keys and stuff in it that's gonna get ruined.
Monica's your first name, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna ask you one more time. You don't have anything on you that can be considered contraband to an inmate facility?
No, sir.
Okay.
You don't have anything on you that's going to sticky, hurt you, poke anybody in the inmate facility. Do you understand that if the inmate facility finds anything on you or in you that is considered contraband, that you are going to be charged with an additional felony charge?
Ma'am, just so you know, they're gonna refund the cost of the food to you.
Okay.
So before we leave, we'll give you the. I kept it in the office for you. Oh wait, hey, this one's it.
No, it's not. Jensen has it in a folder. It's the long one. It's kind of faded out.
No, it's in the
Oh,
office.
okay.
Yeah. So they refund it.
Let's take a seat. Put your butt in first and watch your head.
You also want me to put you on a single phone call?
What's going on?
I said, no.
Can you roll the window down? Roll your window down. What's going on?
She won't let me pass.
Because she's going the wrong way.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Is there a reason why we're getting hostile about it?
Yeah, because she started. I'm talking to them
Okay. Here. Look.
because
there's
she's
no
flipping
need.
me off. She's telling me to back up. I said, ma'am, I'm going the right away. She says, I'm disabled. I said, so am I. I'm a disabled veteran. What has that got to do with it?
Okay. So
Real
there.
quick, I'm gonna cut everyone off. Can you just pull off to the side so she can pass and we can all move on with our days?
No, I got nowhere to go. No,
You can cut your wheel to the right a little
no, I
bit.
cannot. Just start writing me up because I cannot. I'm going the right away. I have the right away. She needs to back her vehicle up so I can get exit the store. That's what I'm trying to do, sir. What do you want me to do?
Okay. Do you mind just backing up a hair right here? See where this disabled spot is? There's
She's
clear.
fine. She's got all kinds
I
of room to
understand
back
that, but
up.
can we just back
No,
it up?
ma'am, no, I can't. I'm going the right away.
Okay,
have the
I
right
understand
away.
that you're going the right away.
I have
However,
nothing more to say.
her wrong.
Nothing more to say.
Okay.
I'm in the middle of neighborhood right now, and I have to come over here because you won't let me pass.
How hard is it to back into this
But
spot?
I was trying to explain.
I understand this, but can we just back the car up?
What she
says is not gonna supersede me. I'm her boss. Back up.
I just lost
Back
my
up!
mind. Okay,
I'm
let's
sorry,
get back up.
man. But you sitting here.
She was later charged with petit theft. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.